Question number 19. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. 20 logs in the bottom row, 19 logs in the next row, 18 in the next row, and up to so on. This process is going on. And when this process is stopped, when are 200 logs finished? Now, in how many rows are the 200 logs placed and how many logs are in the top? It means in the top row how many logs we have, and total logs is equal to 200 logs. First we want to find out how many rows. Suppose in first row we have total 20 logs, then next second row 19, then 18, then 17, then 16, then 15. This process is going on, and this process we will stop this process when our 200 logs finished. Okay, so in this case, in first row logs is equal to 20, in next logs is equal to 19, then next 18, then 17, and up to so on. We don't know how many number of terms we have. It means n we want to find out. Okay, here a is equal to 20, d is equal to 19 minus 20 is equal to minus 1, and some value is given to us. What is the sum? Sn is equal to how many logs we have? 200 logs. Now what is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 to a plus n minus 1 into d. So n by 2 into 2a. A is equal to 20 plus 20 minus n is not given to us, n minus 1, and difference is equal to minus 1, and this sum Sn is equal to 200. So when we take 2 to this side, 400 is equal to n into 40 plus minus n, and minus minus is plus 1. 400 is equal to n into 41 minus n. When we multiply 41n minus n square is equal to 400. When we take these two terms to the right hand side, then we obtain n square minus 41n plus 400 equal to 0. Okay. So now we want to find out the factors of this quadratic equation. N square minus 25 and 16. These are the two factor. 25 n minus 16 n plus 400 is equal to 0. So n is common, n minus 25, minus 16 is common, n minus 25 equal to 0. N minus 25 into n minus 16 equal to 0. Now we have these two factors. So from these two factors we obtain 16 and 25. Now here we obtain these two values. Now we want to check whether these values are correct or not correct. How we will check? N is equal to 25. N is equal to 25. It means what is the meaning of this term? That the total number of rows is 25. Okay. So it means 25th row. Let us suppose this is our 25th row. So 25th row is on the top, and we want to find out how many logs are there in this 25th row. It means value of A25 we want to find out. A25 will be equal to A plus 25 minus 1 into D. What is the value of A? A is 20. 20 plus 25 minus 1 is 24, and D is equal to minus 1. So 20 minus 24, and value is equal to minus 1. Value of A25, it means logs in the top row is minus 4. Is this value possible? No, this value is not possible, because minus 4 is a value for the number of logs, and number of logs cannot be negative. So we will neglect this value, and not equal to 25. This value is not possible. Next value is n is equal to 16. So number of rows is 16, and number of logs in this last row, it means A16. Now we want to find out. Value of A16 is A plus 16 minus 1 into D. Now what is the value of A? A is 20. 20 plus 16 minus 1 is 15, and D is equal to minus 1. So 20 minus 15, and value is equal to 5. So logs in the top row is equal to 5 and total number of rows is equal to 16. So this is the answer of this question.